ngarang yamna unfortunate over event ama thokre akhoi gi ngarang nungdhin driver gi report ne pung ani makhai nungdhin dagi pung ama phaugi manungda newsprint porakpa truck number AS25FC038 gambi phai modbung area manakta hangba gate amaduda truck se adum hijack tawre aduga sedaisda moina tarpun lauthoi yenge aduga news media की पोट ना तो मैं आम DI में तो मैंने पूछ रहा अदुगा सी की पोट से ड्राइवर ना है बता KNF नहीं है मैं कुनमंगा मुख सुई है सीधे इस दा कोई सी बुद्धि अकोई होगी कि मणिपुर की थोड़ी बा सिचुएशन लांस ना अदुम विक्टिम हो रहा है तारे मीडिया हाउस तो अदुदा ट्रांसपोर्टर ना SP कांगपोपी दा फोन तो बता सुंपाई पाई भी रखती है अच्छा कि so the SP of Kangpokpi did not respond to any call. I say this to bring the attention to the DG through the speaker, sir. So this must be noted, and he never picked up the phone. And Sigi Gari say it passed through the line after Naga Traders Union na Sigi Potse Yare Chatpayani Harakanta Tharakpani. Aduda Siddhis the report say Makhada Akoigi Second World War Memorial Sekmaidagi Awang. Central Security Forces Security Forces my question is how situation is security forces uniform post and sell request anyway honorable speaker honorable Chief Minister ne peace talk engaged Kuki MLAs and some CSOs in Guwahati stated by the honorable CM in the house itself Sigis, Naga Traders Union have been engaging in keeping the national highway free of any kind of disturbances. Well, my heartfelt gratitude to the Naga Traders Union. I salute them. But unfortunately, some groups, armed or unarmed miscreants, have been trying to sabotage the peace process. Sigi media the attack over say somewhere I feel that they are trying to sabotage the peace process. So it's unfortunate akoi reels is maina paper newspaper media house amgi reels hai moina loi hijack tawre aduga truck ta yaw is a reel kunthra hum doine aduda Assam rifle ne tharak pa video amada aina count taweba not more than 13 or 14 reels were burnt. So I request those people there through the August House to return those reels which have not been burnt. As per the video aina moi burnt tawden lowi adada See situations in the Sumta, media houses, Miamse, Moise, Dharna, Toningba, Matoningba, Yam Laire, Moisu, anxiety later, Port say lifeline through the Lakaduni. Anyway, Lifeline City, it's always had a very notorious history in the past. There have always been extortions every day, every single day, whether there was peace, whether there was band or no band. Aduna, the sad part is today, 21st century. I don't know how many years we've had independence. We've been a state since so many years. We have practically actually 1.5 highways. There are 2 highways. One is functional and one is not functional. Jiri line dagi truck ama lakuma tamda. I am a member of this house, but I khabar to na Jiri line dagi truck se lakuma tamda. Truck se am thina so ke haida. Transport ki chang bat kharcha do alagi na chang to same na hona bada. Kai no JCB na il laile popani. That is the state of our highway of Manipur. Sad. Anyway, now, as I get this opportunity, Speaker Sir, I just want to appeal to everybody, let this not add fuel to the ongoing crisis in Manipur. I say, one group, one community getting satisfaction by hurting the other community and vice versa is not going to gain anywhere. It's who loses? Manipur loses, Manipur at large. Manipur is far more important than a few Manipuris. So we have to look at Manipur, and we all truly love Manipur. We must be careful of the sinister design of certain people who want to divide Manipur. And they say hate begets hate, violence begets violence, and love begets love. We have all gone through this nightmare, horrendous nightmare of 15 months and 5 days to be precise. And we must put an end to this. And let's give humanity a chance. Let's give love a chance. Let's embrace every Manipuri, establish rule of law, bring peace, start NRC with utmost sincerity to push out the infiltrators. When I say infiltrators, those who came into the state after 1961, that is the deadline date by the government of Manipur and India. Let's remember that Manipur is top priority ni. Let some individual not, okay. So I see the burning questions there of the day. I say there is this assembly that as we proceed, I know akhoi prajasina hanging a question, $1 million question. What is the road map ahead? Hanging in so there is the honorable Chief Minister who in parts and pieces, high big peace talk, tawba, security, whatever. So I know on behalf of the people, akhoi the hangi say, see questions in I want the Honorable Chief Minister to give the roadmap, policies, whatever for the days ahead and to bring peace. I request the government in the state and the center with all the authority and power in its command to act immediately, and last but not the least, and the most important, the bottom line is that Manipur's integrity is non-negotiable. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.